Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be installing spacers on my E90 325i. So we will have 30mm spacers at the front, 40mm at the back. I'll show you the spacers just now. So these are the spacers I got. This is how they look. So these are the 240s, 230s for the front. The lug nuts, we call them. So these ones will go in here onto the hub, and the wheels will come and fit in here. So you'll see how I do this. So this is how the vehicle looks before installation. You can see the back, and then we'll see after. Obviously, what we want to do is take off this wheel, but we need to jack the car up first and then do the installation. I'm sure everybody knows how to jack the car up and take the wheel off. Nonetheless, I'll show you. Obviously, safety first. You need the gloves. You need your lock nut, your wheel spanner, your jack stand, and your jack. So I like to unscrew before I jack the car up first. No, just loosen up the screws. Okay, now we can take the wheel off. As easy as that. See that? This is our 40mm spacer. Going at the back, you can see the shape. See how it looks on this side. It comes to fit right there where the tire would normally sit, and it would look something like that. Okay, we're gonna put this one over there, aligning the hose. All hose align just fine. Then we got our lug nut that come with the spacer. They are 19s, all of them. For this case, I don't know which ones you're gonna have, but mine are 19. The car original ones are 17s, but these ones are 19. So I've got 19 wrench. I don't know if you can see here. It's 19. And it goes in perfectly. And I can just tighten that. So I want to show you the proper process. You know, you can do the same for all the other 4 holes remaining. Yeah. Okay. So just tightening the last one. Yeah, one last round of tightening. Okay, so there you have it. All 5 are in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now time to install the tire. Yeah, I need to use on both hands, guys. I'll just show you the product. Okay, there it is, guys. Installed. You can see the spacer there. I need to bring the car down, and then basically you do the same for all other 3 wheels, and you should be fine. I'll show you the end product now. Yeah, guys, I love it. I love it. Look at that. at that. That looks good. As expected, for the front one, you need somebody to step on the brakes for you inside the car, so you can tighten these ones good before you put the wheel on. Yeah, so I got this guy to help me here. Okay, let's put this baby back on the look at that. Look at that. How do you like that?